Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand washing machine and you're getting an E01 error on it and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it? So the E01 error is a door lock error. So, and this could be happening for one of two reasons. The more harder reason to deal with is that it could be something to do with the wiring or something like that going to the lock. And you'd have to get in there and check and make sure the wiring is okay. There's nothing loose or disconnected or frayed or anything like that. But the more easier thing that you can definitely do without calling for help or anything like that is just check and make sure there's nothing physically preventing the door lock from actioning. Make sure there's no lint or gunk or soap suds or anything like that that's kind of built up in there or on the latch part that could be preventing it from latching properly. So, and if you're able to find what's preventing it from physically locking, you'll probably be able to get rid of this error and get your machine back to working the way it should be. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.